What's going on, guys? This is going to be another short video about modifications I made to my 2016 Honda CBR500R. In this video I'm going to talk about the turn signal upgrades I've made. Basically, as an overview, I've done the turn signal mirrors, which have the LEDs on this side, and then I've done the Halo 1 flush mount turn signal from TST Industries. Then I've also done LED pods in the rear. I'll go ahead and turn those on and let you see them. So these are the running lights. The LED pods have a halo around them, bright white, and there are the running light. This is how they look. They look really good at night. And then when you turn on the turn signal, if the halo goes out, and the turn signal starts to flash. Turn the turn signal off, and the halo comes back. So yeah, those are the Halo ones from TST Industries. They're made for the CBR500R 2013 and up, but they do fit the CBR500 not perfectly, but with them on and at night, you can't tell the difference standing up away from the bike, so they look really good. Alright, I'll go ahead and turn on all of the turn signals so you can see exactly what they look like. Turn signal mirrors, they have the arrows in both sides of the mirror. Then if you go around to the front, this is how they look from the front. It really helps with the visibility, I think, because the flush mounts, though you can see them, having turn signals in the mirrors just, I mean, it's a whole lot more visible to oncoming traffic. If you go around to the rear, got the LED pods back here. Plenty bright. I mean, they sit back a little bit further than the stock turn signals. It looks a little bit better, they're more tucked away. Yeah, that's it. Those are my, I call them my lighting upgrades, or my turn signal upgrades to my 2016 Honda CBR500R. Thanks for watching.